America is staring at a political warning sign that just got impossible to ignore. A brand new Washington Post, ABC News, and Ipsos poll shows Donald Trump's disapproval rating has climbed to its highest point of his second term. And the timing could not be worse for Republicans heading into 2026 midterms. Voters are frustrated over inflation, rising gas prices, and growing fears that the conflict with Iran is dragging the US towards another long and expensive foreign crisis. What's making the White House nervous is not just the number itself, it's who's moving away from Trump. Independent voters are reportedly breaking hard against him, and even some Republicans are beginning to question whether the administration still has control of the economy. Democrats are suddenly energized, and Washington insiders are openly talking about a possible political earthquake this November. The biggest problem for Trump right now may actually be the issue that helped him win in the first place, the economy. Americans were promised lower prices and financial relief, but many families say life feels more expensive than ever. Gas prices surged after military tensions in the Middle East disrupted oil markets, and consumers are cutting back on spending because they fear a recession may be coming. Polling now shows Trump's ratings on inflation and cost of living are underwater by huge margins. And that's politically dangerous because voters usually forgive drama. They rarely forgive expensive groceries. Even people who supported Trump's aggressive foreign policy are asking whether the economic fallout is worth it. If inflation keeps climbing through summer, Republicans could face a brutal black backlash in swing districts where stubborn voters are already losing patience. And then there is the Iran situation, which may be turning into the defining crisis of Trump's second presidency. According to recent polling, a majority of Americans now believe the military action against Iran was a mistake. That's a stunning shift because presidents often get a temporary popularity boost during conflicts overseas. Instead, this was appear to be doing the opposite. Americans are worried about the possibility of a wider regional conflict, more attacks on US troops, and long term economic damage if oil markets spiral further out of control. Trump has tried to project a strength, insisting Iran must never obtain nuclear weapons, but critics say the administration underestimated how quickly public opinion could sour once every day. Americans started feeling the financial consequences back home. And now, even though peace talks are reported being considered, many voters believe the situation could explode again at any moment. What's especially striking is how quickly the political map may be changing. Democrats who spent much of the last 2 years struggling with voter enthusiasm suddenly appear highly motivated. Polls show Democratic voters are significantly more eager to vote in the midterms than Republicans, and party strategists believe this could become a referendum not only on Trump's leadership but on whether Americans trust the GOP to manage crisis at all. In key suburban areas, independent voters are reportedly shifting towards Democratic candidates because they see instability everywhere, from foreign policy to grocery prices to concern about government competence. Republican leaders are trying to calm panic inside the party, but behind closed doors, there is growing anxiety that this election could mirror past midterm waves where the president's party gets hammered. Still, Trump remains of the most resilient political figures in modern America history. And that's what makes the moment so unpredictable. His core supporters continue to back him strongly, especially on immigration and national security. For many conservatives, the president is still seen as someone fighting an establishment that they believe ignored them for years. That loyalty has repeatedly saved Trump during scandals, investigations, and political setbacks that would have ended other careers. But even some long-time supporters are beginning to wonder whether constant conflict is exhausting the country. Political analysts say the next few months could determine whether Trump regains control of the narrative or whether voters decide they simply want less chaos in their daily lives. Either way, Americans is entering one of the most politically volatile summer in years. For everyday Americans watching tonight, this story matters far beyond poll numbers and cable's new arguments. If the political pressure keeps rising, it could shape everything from gas prices and retirement accounts to military policy and the balance of power in Congress. A weaker president often struggles to push major legislation, and uncertainty in Washington tends to ripple directly into financial markets and consumer confidence. The new the next few months could decide whether the country moves towards stability or into an even deeper period of division and economic anxiety. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing my channel and stay with me, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.